Hey, come here. A little closer. All right. Hey, so did you get a gift for Father's Day? It's coming up. You did. That's okay. I got you. Does he like woodworking? Does he have little kids? Awesome. Here you go. ABCs of Woodworking. Paired the alphabet with different parts of the things that you find in a wood shop. And I guarantee that he and his children will love this book. And he'll be so grateful for it. The link is in the description. Come on. Time's running out. All right, so I want to show you how easy it is to find the book. Go up to your search, type in ABCs of Woodworking, and it's the first result. Here's my book. And I don't have the option to add to cart now. It won't let me buy for some reason. I think because I can't buy my own book, but it should be that simple. As you can see, I have 13 5-star reviews, and honestly, like, just please keep them coming. All I ask is for an honest review. Tell me how the book holds up. What do you think about the colors? What do your kids say? Etc. So thank you. Definitely look forward to hearing what you have to say about my book.